Weather Service in Raleigh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for South Central Moore County in central North Carolina, Central Scotland County in central North Carolina, Anson County in central North Carolina, Southern Montgomery County in central North Carolina, Richmond County in central North Carolina, Southeastern Stanley County in central North Carolina, West Central Hope County in central North Carolina, until 7:30 p.m. At 6:45 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Ansonville to near Hoffman, moving southwest at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Rockingham, Wadesboro, Hamlet, Ansonville, Hoffman, Polkton, Norwood, Mount Gilead, Ellerbe, and Dobbins Heights. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The following is a special weather statement for the National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Bladen County in southeastern North Carolina until 7:45 p.m. At 7:09 p.m., a severe
coming
thunderstorm
closer towards
was
us.
located near Elizabethtown, moving south at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor hail damage to vehicles is possible. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Elizabethtown, Ruskin, Bladen Community College, Ammon, Lagoon, White Lake, Dublin, and Bladen County Hospital. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please send your reports of hail and slash or wind damage, including trees or large limbs downed, by calling the National Weather Service office in Wilmington at 1-800-697-3901. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Here are the 7 p.m. observations. At Wilmington, it was cloudy. The temperature was